and welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome once again to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com.
Up first this evening, local content creators are holding on to hope that Byte Days, the owners of TikTok, will get a reprieve just in time to stop the ban on the social media app.
And that is in the US. Now, while the ban does not affect us here in Jamaica, it will affect live stream earners.
Deidre Thomas reports.
The digital landscape is a garden, but the roses are going dry.
Taps and roses will be no more as TikTok is being thrown behind digital bars in the United States. Media reports say already the popular video sharing platform is preparing to completely shut down operations come Sunday. This after the U.S. Congress passed a bill which has been signed into law requiring ByteDance, the Chinese company that owns TikTok, to sell its operation to a non-Chinese owner by Sunday, January 19, 2025. It's estimated 1.6 million Jamaicans are on TikTok. So what would this mean for content creators, not only here, but in the rest of the region?
TikTok lives are the main place where majority of the income comes in. So a lot of the people who are gifting on TikTok lives from America. So if it's banned in America, that means we're not getting any income coming in from Jamaica. So it's actually a big problem.
But I am disappointed, as I mentioned earlier. I was able to make up my 9 to 5 in a year. I was probably making twice as much on TikTok, and that's why
Anisha Adams and Rajesh Isaacs ditched their 9-to-5 jobs to focus on TikTok live streams. They have a healthy following of people in the US.
My back used to hurt. I used to come home late all the time doing overtime, and the money was just not comparable to social media.
Yeah. So how much do you know me from social media?
Oh, way more. Way
an approximate figure.
Way more.
On a good month?
Well, not even, just like consistently close to 10K, yeah.
We set up a timer and asked Rajesh to go live.
Yeah.
Ayana, welcome. We're on an interview, guys. We're up on big screen TV.
Within 20 minutes of simply saying this,
Really welcome, everyone. If you're just joining, tap on the screen and send some gifts on the trip if you can.
he was able to make
$200 US just now.
Trinidadian content creator Certified Samson has 1.5 million TikTok followers. 52% of his audience are from the United States, and he earns at least $4,500 US from the app on a good month. He's the founder of Certified Scoop, so his earning potential is different.
The US wanting to take it off and it's sharing too much information. So for me, I prepared for that. Yes, it's a disheartening thing to experience, but it has other platforms and apps out there that, could definitely diversify you in many different ways. So for me, how would it affect me? I would say it's a learning experience. It wouldn't affect me in any way that, hey, I'm going to stop doing videos. You got to roll with the punches. Sometimes things happen that is unexpected, but it also teaches you can't depend on one platform alone to make those dreams come true. Try and be in many different outlets as possible.
A rose earns $1 US, a lion $449 US, a universe $600 US. So what about people who label TikTokers as mere beggars?
Go look at work. I'm like, I bet if you had the ability to do this, you probably would be here asking for taps and roses too, because it makes sense. But I was able to make up my 9 to 5 in a year. I was probably making twice as much on TikTok, and that's why I leaned into that more.
The White House has looked into options to keep TikTok accessible to its 170 million American users. But officials on Thursday say the Biden administration will leave it to President-elect Donald Trump to implement a possible ban. Interestingly, President Trump once pledged to save the app during his 2024 campaign. Will his pledge to protect the app resonate, or is this the final curtain for TikTok in the US? The platform's future hangs in the balance.
TikTok 9 Night.
Deidre Thomas, TVJ News.